Hey everyone, so I pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with your whatever it is you're manifesting at the moment. And the King of Cups came through, and it's all about, the message that I get is mastering your emotions. The message is the world is at your feet. The universe is supporting your desires and manifestations. You just need to stay in your master creator energy by staying in alignment in your emotions, being able to hold the balance when it comes to your manifestations. So when you think of what you are manifesting, you feel good about it and stay more in a space of excitement and joy and less in the doubt and fear of what you want not manifesting. You are the creator and master of your life and your reality. Know that with every part of your being, and watch your manifestations come in thick and fast as you stay true to this belief. Center yourself, in your emotions. When you think about what you want, feel good about it. Feel good that it's coming to you. And like I said, it will come to you much faster. Release the doubts and fears, stay in your center, and feel good to be the master of your emotions and your life. Alrighty, see ya.